In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wise with QuickBooks. By the end, your Wise transactions will flow into QuickBooks automatically, saving you time and reducing manual data entry. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks account. Make sure you're in the correct company file and that you have the right permissions to connect bank feeds. If you manage multiple companies, double-check you've opened the one that should receive the Wise transactions. Once you're in, head to the Transactions section and open Bank Transactions. This is the banking area where your connected accounts and imported activity live. It's the hub for reviewing, categorizing, and reconciling what comes in from your bank feeds. Next, select Link Account. This begins the secure connection process. QuickBooks will guide you through a standard authorization flow so it can pull transactions from Wise safely. You won't share any sensitive credentials directly with QuickBooks. It uses a secure connection issued by Wise. You'll be redirected to log into your Wise account. Sign in as you normally would and complete any required verification, like a one-time code. This step confirms that you authorize QuickBooks to access your Wise data for transaction syncing. Take a moment to read any permission screen so you're comfortable with what's being shared. After you're in Wise, choose your business account and select the balance you want to connect. In Wise, balances typically refer to currency balances or specific sub-balances. Pick the balance that matches the activity you want to see in QuickBooks, such as your primary operating currency. If you manage multiple currencies, you can connect them one at a time later, but start with the one you use most often to keep things simple. Now choose the date you want the feed to start from, then select Connect. This date determines how far back QuickBooks will import transactions. A helpful tip is to pick the day after your last manual upload or the day after your most recent reconciliation, which helps prevent duplicates and keeps your books tidy. If you're just getting started, choosing a sensible recent date typically speeds up the first import. When the connection completes, you'll return to QuickBooks. Your Wise transactions will begin to import, and the initial sync may take a few minutes. After they appear, review and categorize them in the For Review area under Bank Transactions, so your books stay accurate. That's it. You logged into QuickBooks, went to Transactions, linked an account, authorized in Wise, chose the right business balance, set your start date, and connected. You're all set to keep your finances in sync with less effort.